channel. Today I'm excited to show you, I'm a little bit late to this game, but it's a ramen hack. And a lot of TikTok videos or YouTube videos show Shin Ramen or Shin Ramen. Shin Ramen, it's a Korean ramen brand. But I'm using these because not everybody can have access to Shin Ramen easily. So I'm using this and I'm gonna make it basically really fancy because that's the hack. I got Kewpie Mayo here. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah, Kewpie Mayo because that's the secret ingredient in all this. And then I got soy sauce, and I do not need honey. I don't think. So all you need to do is apparently basically make the sauce right here. Oh, and an egg. So I'm gonna open these packets up. And then we're gonna find our beautiful seasoning packets here. Just gonna go ahead and add it in. Okay, one is done. I'm using two, because why not? One is never enough. I'm gonna add 2 packets of this. About a tablespoon. Oh, before I do that, crack an egg in there. Beautiful. I have this Kewpie Mayo. I love this. I gotta show you guys. At the end, it has a little star hole in it. So when it comes out, it's like so cute. So I'm gonna put some mayo in there. Oh my gosh, I miss this so much. And roasted garlic because it's a lifesaver. About a tablespoon, however much you want. From there, you're just gonna mix that all in and you're gonna accomplish this color. Oh yeah, it looks already fancy. And just for color and extra umami flavor, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. About a tablespoon. That should do it. Anybody I think has soy sauce. If you don't, I highly encourage you to buy a bottle. It'll last you a lifetime. Sauce is made. I'm gonna boil some eggs. It's already boiling beautifully. 6 minutes. We are ready. And then next thing you know, we're gonna prepare all our ingredients. I'm so excited. And add a little bit of more soy sauce for extra coloring. Also, I want to show you how cute is this. If we are not connected on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks, the same as my YouTube channel. Please follow me so we can be friends and you can see what I'm up to. I'm always making food, so yes. I got little bok choy here. The cutest bok choy I think I've ever seen in my entire life. So cute. And then I got, of course, my green onions. I say of course because that's like my #1 vegetable that I go through every single day. And this will be extra protein and texture to our ramen in a little bit. So I got portobello mushroom. Any mushroom's fine. I happen to have this, and we're just gonna thinly slice this. Always make sure you wash the mushrooms because I don't have to explain it. All right. That much. Water is boiling. Awesome. It's time to add our noodles. We're done. So we're gonna just slowly add in our broth. Ooh, and mix that in beautifully. Oh yeah. Oh, this smells so good. Basically, after that, we're adding the whole ramen, and then garnish it a little bit on the side. If you want extra protein in it, feel free to add anything. I have tofu. You can add, pork belly, roasted pork belly. You can add chicken. You can add, oh my gosh, eggs. Perfect for you. Lastly, because I like to make it look fancy, there you go. Why didn't I use that? Do a little Costco run. So just top that off. How about that? And I promise this is the very last. Oh yeah, amazing. Little bit of, perfect. This is it. We made I threw the wrappers away, but this ramen chicken flavor soup into something fancy by just adding a few ingredients here and there, and you can wow your guests. I guarantee you that. So I hope that you try making this, and I'm so glad that I discovered this ramen hack. I wouldn't even call it a hack, but I guess it's a hack because, wow, I would have never thought to add mayonnaise in it, and roasted garlic and an egg to make it a really frothy looking broth. So thank you to whoever created it. If we're not, again, connected on Instagram or on YouTube, I'm at Yuna Cooks. I hope that you hit subscribe and hit the bell button, and I'll see you at your next episode.